Hello friends, this video is about this Nova hair dryer, and the model is NHP-8100. It's of 1200 watts, and it has hot and cold feature. It's a cool thing in this. So let's quickly unbox this. So this is the hair dryer. It's glossy, and it's like flipping like this. It sounds like it's breaking. It's not flipping, but 398 rupees. Remember that. Okay, so it has a button here. So this is for hot and cold option, I think. So this cable is quite long and it's good, so you can plug into a far switchboard. So I'll quickly plug this in, and let's see how this works. Okay, now I have plugged this, so I'm turning this switch on. So the sound is quite harsh, but it's quite adjustable because we are paying 398 rupees for this, and it's good. And let's see how this works. I'll make my hand wet a little and see how it performs. So it's working good at the price, and it is affordable, and we can buy this at 398 rupees without any hesitation, and it's a good thing under 400 rupees. So this is about this hair dryer. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.